So great work, everybody. I think we can be proud of another great course. I think there was some seriously varied hardcore ESD today. I mean, like there's really these cases, I think all of them were very challenging. And so you'll be to be congratulated, those of you who did it today. Tamaj, Michaeli, Pitian, good job. I mean, these are not things which you obviously will start trying at home, I guess. But yeah, you did good. So Marieva, what did you get out of today?
Well, as you were saying today, quite a lot of difficult cases, and yeah, okay, it's a good thing because it's interesting to see how you manage with this. But I think there is also a downside of it, that because that's